What is up? What is up? How we doing today? Welcome in. Make sure I don't hear myself here. That would help a lot. Anyways, what's up, Aquata? What's up, Jamie? How you doing, Rich? What is up, everybody? Yes, you're on time, Aquata. You're on time. All right, so I was looking at this just now. Strategy just blew 21 billion buying Bitcoin. Now it's paying the price. So I guess Wall Street's gonna try and hunt down a stop or something. I don't know. We'll see. But MicroStrategy has spent $21.2 billion since November 10th to buy Bitcoin, whose value has fallen around 17.3 billion as of Monday afternoon. An Investor Business Daily analyst of the company files indicate MicroStrategy stock divided Monday as the Bitcoin pre-tumbled lowest level year. Jeez. Yeah, MicroStrategy looks like it's in hot water. Bitcoin price is currently $78,750. Anyways. Yo, what's up, DZ? How you doing? How you doing? Day was good. Day was good. I don't think he cares. Yeah, he doesn't. You want to know how I know he doesn't give any F's about it? I'm going to show you right now. Because there's a very distinct level of he doesn't give a shit, and that is right over here. Right here, Michael Saylor himself. I'm sending BTC straight to Valhalla. So I guess he's planning on buying soon, but I don't think he realizes you got to go down in flames in order to get to Valhalla. But hey, you know what? He's about that life. Guess I had bad timing entry too. I mean, MicroStrategy's known for buying the top. They are known for it. Another thing right now, people are talking about Trump's backed World Liberty Financial, and their portfolio is down $110 million for its investment of 9 cryptocurrencies worth $336 million per data from Arkham. Ethereum represents 65% of their total loss. They've been buying up Ethereum like crazy. So there's that. Also, we're going to be checking out some of the AI fund because, you know what, Grayscale, they're starting to promote it a lot. So you know what, we might as well be in the know. So these crypto right here are going to be on the list tonight. But here is the circulating thing. Right now, Trump wants to crash the stock market. The U.S. government has to refinance $7 trillion of debt in 6 months. There's no way Trump wants to refinance at current 10-year yields, which that's fair. That's absolutely fair. This is why crashing the stock market and pumping the bond prices. As bond prices will go up, yields will come down, and the U.S. government will be able to refinance their debt at cheap. Not only that, lower bond yields will also push the Fed to do rate cuts, which is bullish for risk on assets. So don't panic over the short term and look at longer picture, which is true. It's true. All right. Can I request move and degen? Sure. DZ, I got you. Sure. Move, degen. Got you covered. Got you covered. Why would they not include ICP in the AI fund? Who knows? Who knows? Maybe that's just the ones they decided to buy. Who knows? I don't know. I don't have those answers. I don't own that business. Streets are flooded with blood. Yeah, a little bit. What's up, Tech Service? Do you think Solana is a steal right now, or is it going to dump to 99 cents? I don't know if it's a steal. We're going to find out. We're going to find out. That's all right. Trump coin made up for it. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. All right, so the list today we're going to be going over. We're going to be checking out Bitcoin. We got Ethereum. We got Solana, XRP, ADA, Algorand, HBAR, APT, Aave, Vet, AVAX, Near, Tau, Render, File, GRT, and LPT. That is the list for today. So if you didn't hear your coin, feel free to request it. Anyways, I've been watching your stream for some time now, and I noticed your reading gotten a lot better. Well, you have to realize, before live streaming my reading, I never had to read out loud. I could always just read silently to myself. And it's a lot easier silently to myself. But hey, you know what? I think Hooked on Phonics is starting to work. I think it's starting to work. I bought the dip today. Bought Nvidia and Google. Interesting buys. I like it. Still bullish on the market. Not bad. Let's add BNX to the list. BNX is weird. It's breaking out right now, going to the upside. So yeah, we can check that out. Meet Damien. BNX. All right, big props, brother. Hey man, just doing my best out here, trying to bring you value where I can. Anyways, currently Bitcoin. Let's look at this. If we are marking out our lows right now, we have lost it. So any hope of this uptrend being an uptrend, it is now acting as resistance. So everybody who thought that, well, kind of sucks for you. It looks like we are basically going to go down and touch 73 to 71,000. From there, we can get a better idea of what is going to happen. On your daily, we have bullish divergence, but I don't know that the market actually cares. Can I check Kava and Tau? Tau is already on the list fees, but I will throw in Kava. Got you covered. Coinbase is listing Cookie DAO tomorrow. Can we take a look at Cookie DAO? All right. Cookie. I was looking at Cookie earlier today, looking for a short, and it just looked weird to me. But, yeah. Anyways, so right now on the daily, Bitcoin, it's not oversold right now, but it does have bullish divergence. Checking it out on the weekly, we have not touched that 50 simple moving average yet, so I still think we're probably going to do that. Probably. It's a guess. I don't know for certain. I don't have a crystal ball. Never came in. Got it off wish.com, and you know what? They sent me a pack of cigarettes. It was really awkward. No, I'm just kidding. But, yeah, looking at the 1 hour time frame, we have triple bullish divergence, trying to catch a bounce, but we have this pesky little downtrend here. So even if we do rally up, I'm starting to feel like it's going to get faded. Maybe we get a nice 5% move to the upside overnight, and then we roll over in the morning. At least that's the feeling I'm getting. It doesn't have to happen, but that's the feeling I'm getting. Let's go ahead and check out the liquidation heat map. Why did you guys dump your bags? That wasn't the agreement. That's pretty funny. So looking at, oh my goodness, longs already got wrecked, and now they're going for the shorts. Going for the shorts, sitting at 79,952. $46 million is sitting right there, ready for the taking. Let's go into all of them. Oh, yep, we have plenty of liquidity to the upside, hardly anything to the downside. Me and Porky were both bearish in time. Oh boy, you guys killing me here. That's funny. Sorry y'all were late. Oh, here we are, James. Here we are. Let's go ahead and check out the weekly for Bitcoin. Bitcoin has, I'm gonna guess, zero liquidity to the downside. Oh wow, we guessed it. Zero liquidity to the downside. Took it all out. Anybody who tries to go long right now is getting faded into into irrelevance. But there's a little bit of hope up here. There's some shorts. There's a lot of shorts up above us. But to be honest, I don't see any reason why people would feel comfortable going long at the moment, because it's just been perpetual down. Perpetual down. Anyways, let's go out to the daily real fast so then we can see BTC. Somebody in Discord was asking about that CME future gap, and it looks like we covered it. Yeah, we covered that CME future gap. The future gap is filled. The future gap is filled. We even covered this gap that was formed in here. So, that's cool. Now we have support sitting down at 71,600 and or $71,700 and $65. So we're gonna see what happens here. Damn, punish Porky for my actions. What else would annoy you. I'm so confused. I'm so confused. Can I look at mess? My BES. All right, we'll throw in some ES. Got you covered. Got you covered. Ba-ba-ba. Hey, I said out loud I'm gonna sell and buy back cheaper. That's pretty funny. That's pretty funny. All right, so CME future gaps are filled. Right now, we just got to see, what does Wall Street want? What do they want? What is Trump going to do next? Who knows? We're going to find out next week on Dragon Ball Z. Hold on one second, guys. Alrighty. XRP 50 cents. Yeah, I've been calling that for a while. Figures he lost. What? Porky always reads chat backwards. I don't read it backwards. What are you talking about? I don't read it backwards. Sometimes I do. It's fine. Anyways, that's CME futures. It's like meh. No big deal. Nothing crazy. We're just down. And once again, anybody who wants to get really bearish, check the weekly. Check the weekly. You're like, I've been hearing it nonstop. Oh, we're in a bear market. The fuck do you mean? Bear market, and we're barely about to tap the 50 simple on the weekly? That doesn't make sense in my head. It just doesn't make sense. Mad because it's been going down for a while? Okay, that's fine. But to say that we're in a bear market? Stop it. Just stop it. We could argue back here. This was a bear market. You were below the 200 weekly moving average for an extended period of time. Bear market. Then we got out of the bear market. So, come on, guys. Anyways, and noted, the altcoins, they never really got out of their bear market. It's been a perpetual bear. So, yeah. Anyways, let's move on from Bitcoin. Let's check out Ethereum. So, ETH. Checking out Ethereum. Ethereum, you're in a bear market. See that? See that? See that 200 weekly moving average all the way up there? See how we're testing this uptrend right here? Bearish. Because a lot of people bought in late and are now down, so they think it's bear. Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. That's a fair assessment. But oh man. It's just like, God, zoom out. Get out of the low time frames. Just zoom out a little bit. Just a little bit. So yeah, it's like for Ethereum, it had a bull run from November 4th to I would say February 3rd. That was your bull market for Ethereum. What joy it was. Oh man. The amount of people I saw buying Doge, 40 cents, was insane. Now they're super angry. Yeah, that's fair. BTC is good, but alts are ugly. You're right, JD. You're right. They're very ugly. So yeah, right now Ethereum on the weekly looking a little bad. On the daily even looking real bad. You got a daily candle close below $1,893. That's a problem. That is a real problem. The stock market world, they call any asset that's 20% below most recent significant high as a bear market. Bitcoin hit that point when it went below 87K and stayed below it. Me, Damien, I understand what the stock market would end up saying, but we can't go off the stock market per se because this is their first time having ETFs in here. They need to learn the crypto way. So in the stock market, yes, simply because the stock market has people's retirement plans connected to it. So there's constantly money funneling into it. Cryptocurrency does not have the same structure. So we go off a different set of rules for now. And I'm saying for now. Give it time, it'll be the same. But right now we have to go based off of the 200 weekly moving average. And as long as you're above that 200 weekly, it's technically a bull market. So, technically. But I know what you mean. I understand what you mean. So That's like saying your dick is good, but your ass is ugly. Wait, what? In my opinion, ETH has been bearish since last summer. That's fair. I mean, it just hasn't really done much. It's done this long term like double topping pattern, and now it's falling. So, also, I think Ethereum's just this bull run. People are starting to realize proof of stake is garbage. I think they're starting to learn that. Because proof of stake, all it really happens is like, oh, a bunch of people bought a lot of coins, they staked them, and now they get non-stop selling power. Awesome. Love it. Great idea. Make them work for it. Make them spend the money on some energy, so then it actually gives it a little bit more value. Just a little bit more. I mean, noted, we figure out free energy, well, now I'm going to start saying Bitcoin's worth nothing because energy costs nothing. Anyways, what I'm basically looking at for this, if we manage to catch a bounce, we could go up as high as 2,300, but we have a very sharp downtrend right now that it needs to break out of. Ethereum at the moment, I mean, 1,500's looking real good. Yeah, I remember BTC was down 50% from the highs of 2021. People still didn't want to call it a bear market. I believe it's possible to have a bear market inside of a bull market. I think usually when it's a bearish trend, I'm okay with calling things a bearish trend in a bull market. But I can see what you mean, though. I can see what you mean. All right, weekly time frame. I better get some of these lower levels just to be ready. So right now for Ethereum, another low level we could look at is right there. So if we lose 1,500, we could see 1,300. I mean, at this rate, could happen. Could happen. Don't count it out. Could happen. But I do feel like this Thursday might get a weird bounce. I got this weird feeling. A relief rally should be coming, and it's going to catch a lot of short sellers off guard, and then it's just going to wreck them. Let's move on. Let's go to Solana. So Solana did something real bad today. It's now testing that 115 level. That's really bad. You're in the danger zone here, Sol. You got bullish divergence, yeah, but you're in the danger zone, buddy. So if you lose 115, you can see this if you zoom out. There is nothing holding you up. I mean, your next target, easy, $78. Real easy. You're straight down there. Solana in the danger zone. You really don't want to lose this level, Solana. I mean, noted. We do have all of Wall Street talking about recession now. So now we're going to finally see when Wall Street feels like it's a recession. Like, oh, this is how crypto reacts in a recession. Noted, we did have a technical recession a couple years ago, but they decided to redefine what a recession is. And yeah, because, 2 consecutive quarters of negative GDP, just it doesn't matter anymore. Mac Barbie, you want some ADA? Don't worry, we will be catching on the ADA soon. I got you covered. Got you covered. Welcome back, Mac Barbie. I'm glad you came back. I know some people just hate my bearishness, but if you guys were shorting the past couple days, I'm sure you loved the analysis. So Solana does have to backtest, but XRP, what are you talking about? Solana definitely has to backtest. It came close. What you talking about? By the way, XRP? No. XRP doesn't just have to backtest. It has to go to 0, okay? That's what XRP needs to do. Go to 0. But yeah, so right now, next target, if we lose 115, 82.57. And if we lose 82.57, hey, 47 coming in hot. Coming in hot. Which I am A-okay with saying. But yeah, it gave it a good old college try. Just didn't quite get there. Didn't quite get there. But the argument, this wick, it's like, well, it was a range. So that's the argument that people would have. I think it would be hard for Solana to fall below that, but we're going to mark it out anyways. Solana to 47. You heard it here. Hey, it could be. It could be. I wouldn't put it past it. This market, nuts. It's nuts, man. But a relief rally at this moment in time, I could see it go back up to 174, give a lot of false hope, and then roll over. If it does that, oh boy, are we in for it. Are we in for it? It's going to be rough. All right, moving along, we got XRP. Speaking of the devil. All right, XRP still holding on to $2.05. It is trying its best. You have the bulls out here just like, no, we didn't get the daily candle close below it. No. 155 coming in hot. 155 coming in hot. All we got to do is stay below this level for like 12 more hours. Give me 12 hours. Send it. Send it. XRP to $47.30 to flip Solana. Good luck. Good luck. XRP 58 cents. I'm going to keep saying it loud and proud. Pillar of strength. Oh, man. Nope, that thing, yep, is bearishly backtesting right now. All right, next up we got ADA. ADA, I need to clean up this chart because I was trading it earlier. It was a great trade setup that I got out early. So that was on me. I'm sorry, everybody. I did do that. But if you guys took the trade this morning, congratulations. By the way, if you're not a part of the Discord, it's completely free. I do post trade setups every day. And also, I'm posting up all the trades that I'm in when it comes to the $6 to 9K challenge. I took some losses. I did. But we are back up to $3. So, you know what? We're doing all right. We only lost half. Anyways, right now, ADA is doing its damnedest after getting a candle low close below the 200 daily moving average, trying to go back up. You have plenty of room to the downside. Plenty of room to the downside. Likely case over time. We're probably going to see 37 cents once again. Unless that spot ETF comes out and for some reason Grayscale decides not to sell. Someone told me XRP to 350. Then I realized it was that Loch Ness. Oh, the Loch Ness Monster again? That's pretty funny. Sorry, that was hard for me to read. Jesus. So ADA on the daily here. Since this is a formal request, I'm going to start diving into it a little bit more. But that 200 daily, that's kind of a problem. You lost it. Your 4-hour time frame is a little oversold. But you do have this beautiful downtrend right here that you've been fighting against this whole time. Tried to break out, fell back under it. Now we're seeing where this 4-hour candle ends. If we end up below it once more, 59 cents is your current support, but you could get a nice formal backtest at 74 cents before that happens. Checking out your 1 hour, you do have bullish divergence. You're waiting for a higher low to happen if you get one. Based off recent falling, you could even remark a new downtrend from here to here. So let's see what happens on this particular downtrend. But we could be going down a bit further. I would really be looking at 59 cents. If you don't hold it, 37.37 would be the targets. So that's what I'm seeing there. Next up, we have Algorand. Algo. So Algorand's catching a nice bounce. We did get in on the copy trades for this one this morning. Worked out really well. So we got full profit on that bad boy. We have major bullish divergence on the 1 hour, but it doesn't matter. We lost our support at 20 cents. And if you've been a part of the channel for a while, well, I did mention 14 to 10 cents. That's what we're looking for. Mac Barbie, no problem, anytime. Yeah, if you ever want trade setups, love the plug, shameless self-promotion, HQZ in the Discord. You're hilarious. All right. If you guys ever want to do requests, just join the Discord, drop it during the day. I can look at your charts throughout the day. It's okay. It's all right, really. We have a nice little tab for it. And for it to be a free Discord, I mean, I hope you guys utilize the tabs, but here it is. Like, here's your chart request tab. I post this shit throughout the day. I'll tag you in it too. But yeah, anyways, so that's the point. So, looking at Algorand here, we have lost our support. We are in a downtrend. We're in a very steep downtrend. I mean, even if we do get a break to the upside, we're still bearish as shit. like it's really bad. We do have a measured move that we're currently trying to work off of, which is this right here. Measured move down. Oh my. Measured move down is to 9 cents. That's kind of wild. Based off this fall and bounce right here. 9 cents is your target. So give it enough time, we might see that play out. We just might. And this is the downtrend for that particular target. So even if we catch a bounce, the closer you are to this downtrend, the easier it will be to put in shorts. So let's just wait around and see what happens. But currently on the daily, you are just hanging out in the bearish control zone. The bears are in control. Yeah, we definitely need more likes. That would be great. That would be great. So if you guys are wondering how I'm jumping into all these trades, what you're noticing is we're putting in like these higher lows, and then at some point we're breaking them. When you break it, it's a very, very easy task to be like, oh, cool, what's our trade setup? Go over here, and you're like, great, this should be going down to support. So just so you know, if you want a nice entry, this could come up, get a bearish back test, that would be your entry, and then you could just ride this thing down to support. So let's just say you get that entry up there, you could get a 36% drop to the downside. Just thought I'd throw that out there. All right, moving along. Let's go into H-bar. H-bar. H-bar working its way down to support at 16 cents. Almost got there. Almost got there. So close. But understand, based off this movement here, our target is all the way down here. Gonna lose all of that value straight down. I wouldn't hold algo if Coinbase Learning Rewards gave it to me for free. Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. We could see another 80% to the downside on H-bar. Just give it time. Give it time. That's what happened here. Next leg down coming in to a theater near you. Yeah, losing these moving averages, it's a real problem. But the closer you are to this downtrend here, the easier it'll be to jump into a short. The nice thing, it's easy to read right now. That's the nice thing. And then the better part is like on the daily, it gave you a nice little uptrend that you not only broke down from, but you also like tried to bearishly backtest. You tried to pop up and you came straight back down. Let's look at what this looks like on the 4. Would you look at that? You caught a bounce and you fell right through it. This is now having an opportunity at acting as resistance. So from there, you could scope out, oh, what could be my target? Well, you could be coming down next leg, 11 cents. So let's just say you get that one. You could see another 42% drop. I'm sorry it's so bearish. I'm just reading the chart. Don't get mad at the messenger. I'm sorry. But APT still working on its way down. Still working on it. And target's 392. If the market doesn't get more bullish, it's going to do it. It's going to do it. You have support sitting down at $3.50 though. So hopefully that holds. Hopefully it holds. Because if it doesn't, well, there's not much down there. So, could get a little dark. Could get a little dark down in the depths of the ocean. Could get a little bit dark. Checking out Aave. So Aave is an interesting one. We literally, on the copy trades tonight, we pulled off getting some gains from this bad boy. You're catching some bids. You're in a nice falling wedge pattern, but long-term uptrend, we not only broke down from it, a bearish backtest on the daily. Have I picked on XRP yet? That always brings me joy. Yeah, JB, already did. Already did. 155, coming in hot. Market will recover as long as eggs are $8.76 a dozen. That's fair. That's completely fair. Eggs go down, watch crypto go back up. That's pretty funny. We're gonna now use the egg indicator. We're going to now start using the egg indicator. It's going to be fantastic. It's going to be absolutely fantastic. So with this one kind of sucks because based off this little move to the upside, you have a target that you could go down to $100. So mentally prepare yourself for $100 Aave. Mentally prepare. I mean, could be looking for another 43% to the downside. New moon, full moon has failed us. Time to move to egg indicator. That's pretty funny. I think we're getting a 5 to 10% relief rally tomorrow. I think we're getting that tonight. And then Wall Street's going to wake up and be like, great day to sell. Then another 30% down. Oh, man. Could be. Could be. All right, checking out VeChain. All right, VeChain sitting at these all-time lows down here. Oh, not even all-time low. Oh, no. So you're trying to test this long-term uptrend. If you lose it, likely to see VeChain back down to 9/10 of a penny. You guys ready for that? Sub 1 cent? Are you guys prepared? You got support at 1469. ACH Alchemy Pay, can it break all-time high? Eric, anything's possible. I thank you. I appreciate you for the $1.99 super chat. We will check out ACH. ACH. Anything's possible. It's just, we'll see, buddy. We kind of need, like, as I've mentioned in previous streams, we need those people that you knew from high school that would, like, kick doorways because it hurt their toes, and they would say, like, bro, all the cool kids are doing it, and then them giving you financial advice for what crypto to buy. We need those people in the space again. If we get them back in, yeah, ACH definitely could break all-time high. But, yeah. Till then, it's going to be kind of hard. So VeChain, you have some light support sitting here at like 1469, but likely to happen if you lose this level. What happens between this level? Straight up, straight down. Right here was the anomaly, but normally it is just straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up. It is likely that we get a sub 1 cent VeChain if we lose this level. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind when it comes to VeChain. You are not oversold on the weekly. Not oversold. Can we check out Dego? Got you covered. Dego. Got you covered on Dego. So let's get rid of all of this. There's your very distinct downtrend. Checking out your daily. So your daily, you are down. You're about to get a death cross. You are about to get that death cross, and you are not oversold. Damn, brother. So for those who were paying attention today, you had a perfect opportunity for shorting because you had this going on. You broke it. So then all of a sudden you'd be like, oh, where could we go next? Well, you could be going all the way down here. You came close. What's to stop you? But here's the current downtrend. So as long as you're respecting the downtrend, you're expecting to get to this price down here. Could be hard though. You have a lot of support down here. Could take some time. But yeah, that's pretty tough right there. Pretty tough. Anyways, VeChain's done. Let's check out AVAX. AVAX caught me off guard this morning. I thought it was going to go up, and then it went down. It was holding support very well. It started to pop up a little bit, then it came right back down, and you touched 1533. So that measured move played out. Now we got to see if we're going to hold support or not. You do have bullish divergence, of course, because it's everywhere on these charts. It's just a matter of time before someone decides to buy. Major bullish divergence on the daily, and now you have the bullish divergence while touching a level of support. If this was a normal time in the markets, I would be like, we're going long, baby. We're going long. We're hanging 10. No big deal. We're going to be looking for $40.46. Dude, the day AVAX pumps, I'll be happy. Is such an underdog. I don't hold any AVAX, just saying. I hold plenty of AVAX, but we're getting really close to my accumulation range once again. As soon as we drop below $15, I am accumulating again. So there's that, but very likely if the market conditions stay the same, could see $10. If we get below $10, well, maybe we end up seeing $8.65. Just maybe, but who knows? Who knows? Wouldn't hold AVAX if Coinbase gave it to me for free. That's pretty funny. No, I hold plenty of AVAX. I hold plenty, but I need to start reaccumulating if we get into that $15 range. I took some pretty darn good profits so far. Longing or trading? Excuse me? What do you mean, Slick Rick? If you're going long, you're still trading. What's the best thing to put 1K in right now for easy profits? Someone give me financial advice. That's what HQZ asked. You guys can cover that. Shorting. Your DCA $15? No, I DCA under 15. So if we get below this, anything in this range, I am buying indiscriminately. I am accumulating as much as I can. We go below that, okay, fine. I don't really care. I'll stop buying if we go below $10, and then I will sell off if we go below $8.61. Because if we go below $8.61, we're pretty much going straight down to $2. I'm not going to incur all those losses. I'm just not. I'll cut my losses at these lows at $8.72. We lose that, I'm out. You asked that another stream back in January and made $2,800 on XEN? That's pretty funny. When you sell off at $10 for AVAX, I'll buy. That's pretty funny. Alright, so yeah, AVAX, you have an opportunity of greatness. It's just, we need the bids to come in. We need them to come in. But likely, could see $10 again. Could see it. Near. Checking out Near Protocol. I don't really look at Near too often, but I'm interested to see what it's doing. So Near, same boat. Getting into those like real low levels. So there's an argument to be had. This could be the start of people's accumulation range. But if I would like it better if we could find some support at 188. If we found some support at 188, this could end up being a really good time. We lose 188, 129 is the next level. Can we check OP? Sure. Sure. Let's go ahead and look at Tau. Tau finally touching support. Beautiful. Let's see if it holds. 214 sitting on top of support. You touched it today. You're trying to catch a bounce. You lose 214. I wish you the best of luck. Move is up 25% on the 7-day, 8.2% on 24 hours. Why would I buy it now and not something already down? It's a fair assessment right there, I'll tell you what. 100% retrace from the rally. So let's see if Tau can figure out how to hold. But remember, you're just now barely getting oversold. Just now. So hopefully it catches a bounce. But we're going to see if this little uptrend acts as resistance or not. Because if it does, guess what? We have an opportunity at much more downside. I'm calling it an opportunity because you know what? Shorting the market pays. Alright? It pays. And let's see how it lines up. Oh my goodness. A bearish backtest would line up perfectly. And we could see this thing down to $150. Oh my, oh my. Get that bearish backtest. That's 42% downside. I will ride this thing into the depths of the abyss. I will do it. Alright, render. Alright, so render. We were calling for a bit of downside yesterday, and we got it today. 223 is your target right now. 223 is your target, but you did lose that long-term uptrend. You lost it. So now it could act as a bearish backtest. Did we do ADA yet? Yeah, we certainly did. We did it right after XRP, Rich. Right after XRP. You were literally talking while I was looking at ADA. You were chatting it up, Rich. You weren't paying attention. So yeah, we still have bullish divergence on the daily, which is interesting to me. Talking shit. Yes, you were. So who knows? Maybe we touch 223.3, we catch some support, and then we get a nice bounce. Just maybe. But we are in this very distinct long-term downtrend. We're gonna have to wait and see if we can get back above 362. Awesome. Now we have some things to talk about. He was more concerned with the like button. That's fair. It's a good thing to be concerned about because people just don't like these streams. What's up, Nigel? How you doing today? How you doing? All right, checking out Filecoin. Filecoin is now discovering what downside looks like. This is a very bad thing that Filecoin is doing. Very, very bad. We have one level that is trying to act as support. That's at $2.41. You lose $2.41, we're going to find out how low it can go. That's all we're going to do. We're going to figure it out. And it's probably not going to be a good time for any File long-term holders. Probably not going to be a good time. But we also can figure out what this measured is based off this. 228.5 could be the target. But that does come with some implications because that would be your all-time low. Not a pleasant place to be for Filecoin. Anyways, moving along. GRT. Dirt. We got the 28% move? Almost. We're finding support at 8 cents. That 8 cents holding its ground, trying to be amazing, still in the falling wedge. Looking pretty darn good. We got falling wedgeception here. You wouldn't hold Filecoin if it filed your fingernails? Wow, that's rough. Here, it's just trying to do its job, man. Just trying to do its job, bro. So, if we happen to lose this level, our last line of defense, our line in the sand, as we might say, you could see this thing fall down to 552. That's a 0, 552. So GRT, you're in the danger zone, buddy. In the danger zone.
Sorry, I need to tell you this now before I forget. We're gonna do 2.5 ML.
2.5? Okay.
Because it says for 1 month and less, but he's so small, we're just gonna do that.
He's over a month.
I know that, but his body size.
Okay.
It's 5 mLs if it's a 1 month plus. That's a lot.
Okay.
So we're just gonna do
Well, let's see how it does.
And then if anything, will go up.
Okay. The last one was 3.
I know. You want to do 3 then?
I don't know. You're the nurse.
I'm gonna do 2.5 first. See how it does.
Okay.
I don't wanna overdo it.
Love you. I'm hoping that was a bottom. False move Monday, hopefully midweek reversal coming up tomorrow or the next day. I mean, hopium is strong. I love it, Nigel. I love it. I need some of the news. And considering now I feel like Wall Street's trying to liquidate Michael Saylor, I don't know, man. I don't know. I think they're going to keep sending Bitcoin down to 71,000. And if Bitcoin goes down to 71K, these altcoins are going to have some trouble. A lot of them are going to have a little bit of trouble. LPT. LPT hitting these all-time lows also. Such a steep retracement. But we were looking for... Oh, no. We could still see further downside. No. I had this thing measured out. No. So, possibility, we see 219. But that does come with implications, because that would be your all-time low. It might not stop there. So let's see if we just hold on to support. Let's hope we do that. Anyways, let's get into these requests. Let's see if your requests bring in anything better. So we're gonna start off with Kava. Kava, I personally hold way too much of this token. It is holding strong, hanging on to 38 cents. 38 cents is its happy place. So you're trying to break to the upside, trying really hard. And I know some people are like, why is Kava handling all this? It's weekly bullish divergence. That's the only reason. Weekly bullish divergence. But if they continue selling hard enough, we're going to see new all-time lows. Don't worry. But yeah, no, that weekly bullish div and the higher low, it is holding strong. If this market was bullish, you would have seen Kava skyrocket. You would have seen it. It would have been amazing, but we haven't seen it yet. We have not seen it yet. And now we're getting our relative strength and our MACD starting to look a little bearish. So all the buying pressure down here, this entire buying campaign could go to crap. And if it does, we're going to see a pretty harsh move to the downside, because you know what? When you're reaccumulating, the last thing you want is selling pressure. That's the last thing you want, because then that's a sign, oh, so we didn't bottom out? Thought we did. Oh no, let's see how far they can take it. So yeah, hopefully we don't get some buyer exhaustion. That would be a real problem, because it's been holding these levels for over a year. We got down into these levels back in January of 2023. 2 whole years. It's a long ass time. Your sell target's $45 to get the F out. We will check out MSTX. We'll check that out. Fast trades. We'll check it out. So yeah, this everything is set up for upside, but it's been like that for months. Goblin Gobbler, hello, how you doing? Welcome in over there on Twitch. Should I buy Kava, chat? Oh boy, HQZ, you're just a glutton for punishment, aren't you? Should I be concerned when FemX is paying me funding fees as high as $20 every 8 hours on a 9K 2X leverage long on Jupiter? How are they paying you funding fees for that? That's pretty interesting. I don't know if that's concerning or not. Sounds like you're making some free money. Alright, ES is next. Whoops. ES is a stock. Some mini futures. Oh! They got destroyed, didn't they? Damn. I'm doing good, Goblin. I'm doing good. How are you doing? So, the S&P, I mean, looking at this on the daily, you would expect a bounce. That's your expectation. It is still the stock market. Yes, they're selling off, but you would expect a bounce. You just woke up. Nice, Goblin. Nice. By the way, Goblin, is this your first time in chat? No, it is not. Okay. So, yeah, you would expect a bounce here. Maybe you get a nice little 50% retrace or something. Maybe. Even if you got a 50% retrace, that would be a bearish backtest to your former support. Oh, no. That's so bad. That's so bad. You'd be looking at that. Oh, man. So even if you do push back up, you can get a bearish back test and roll over and continue down. Just been a bit busy. It's all good, Goblin. I understand. So yeah, your daily is almost oversold. Last time you got this oversold, it was down here. A nice bounce to the upside, a pullback. So I'm thinking something like this could happen again. So maybe we get a nice little V shape. Just maybe. I'm going to go apply McDonald's tomorrow. Manny, smart move. Smart move. Hopefully they're still hiring. If you're in California, that's an automatic $20 an hour. It's automatic. Can I ask you about an alt? Yeah, you can. According to AI, it means the market is over leveraged on longs and could indicate a move down to liquidate longs. I mean, yeah, this does look like liquidity hunting, especially when the S&P 500 had a 2.69% day. That is crazy. Requests MCD. Okay, alright. MCD. McDonald's stock actually did really well. They know the crypto space is about to come and start working. In and out is $26 in the Bay. Wow. 26. Good evening, Blake Smith. How you doing? So yeah, this thing looks really terrible underneath 5,600. You could be going down to 5,300. I would be expecting a bounce. A nice little bounce to the upside, getting back to 58.8, and then that might be a great opportunity for going short. Just maybe. Looked at McDonald's stock price. They may not be hiring. That's pretty funny. MCD. McDonald's Corporation. If you noticed, intraday, McDonald's hit an all-time high. They hit an all-time high. So, in times of recession, Wall Street knows America will choose the easy option to make them feel good. You do have bearish divergence on the daily, so keep that in mind. This could start selling off in a really terrible way. But also, you could hit $364. You could. It's sitting right there, ready and waiting. It's sitting right there. But all-time highs has been achieved with bearish divergence. So the fact that you do have bearish divergence, you would expect a pullback. But you know what? Maybe if American consumers weren't so good at consuming. Oh shit, I was looking at 24-hour. Yeah, no, this thing it did really well. Did really well today. Go apply, right? Alright, next up we got ACH. So Alchemy Pay. It's not looking good right now. It is not looking good right now. Long-term uptrend. You've lost it once again. It's not really good. You're not oversold. Oh, no. Oh, no. Maybe this time is the time. Oh, you even tried to go back up. Bearish backtest. Oh, no. Let's check out your 4-hour. Bullish divergence on the 4-hour. This is an interesting one. This is interesting. You have the possibility of going up, but the market also could just poop on your daylights. Just poop on you. And you could see the price come down to 1881. Until you get a higher low, I have to look at the bearish case. Until you get that higher low. So as of this moment in time, it does look pretty well set up for a nice 14% move to the downside. until you get a higher low. I'm sorry. I got to be super hyper bearish. Get that higher low, buddy. Get that higher low. That's what you need. We'll see what happens in the coming hours or day, but that's your bearish case. Bullish case, I mean, yeah, it's like 42% upside. I guess now it would be a little more. So 51% upside. When's the last time you've looked at Matic? Looked at Matic? That's a hard question to answer because it's not called Matic anymore. It's been a while since I looked at Polly. Do you want to look at Paul? P-O-L? Paul? I'll mark it down. It's been a long time. Been a really long time. So I would say right this moment for ACH, I'm still on the bearish side of things, so I would be leaning toward this bearish move, the 14.98% downside, but it's a possibility you get a 51% move to the upside. And where I'm getting that is based off this recent high to now low, getting that golden retrace. I guess it's a little less. So maybe you get a 48% move to the upside. Sure. All right. So there's your bullish case. If ACH gets bullish, 48% upside, and you'll feel really good about it. Look at Hood. I got killed, boys. Hope all is well. What's up, Ty? How you doing? Slap the like as if your take profit. Yeah, wait. It's your take profit? Yeah, do that. We'll throw in Hood. All right, we got through all of the paid requests. Now let's get through all of the others. So we got Move first. Move is doing some interesting things. You're putting in the nice higher low. I still would appreciate if it came back down to 40.56, but you're moving on up. You got cooked. Oh, dang. Oh, dang. So Move, in this recent push to the upside, it looks like a formal bearish backtest of your 50 simple moving average on the daily. You're now finding a ton of resistance off this Fibonacci level, which is a big time problem. Are we dropping to 75K just? No, probably 71, probably. To grab liquidity, it could just be a formal backtest. So I don't know if it's necessarily a liquidity grab. I do know that a lot of times when you break out of a level, it does like to get backtested as support. And we never backtested 71K on Bitcoin. So it could just be a formal backtest. And then we could see higher prices. We could see lower prices. Kind of depends. I don't know what's in the minds of the Wall Street traders. I don't know if they're looking at Bitcoin as a safe haven or as a risk-on asset anymore. For a second there, it looked like they were trying to treat it like a safe haven, and now it's back to being risk-on. So, do you use CoinGlass to check liquidation levels? I'm wondering what the difference between Model 1 and Model 2. I do use it. And I don't know the difference between Model 1 and Model 2. I have no idea. Yeah, no idea. It just looks weird. All I'm really getting. Maybe it's smoother? I don't know. But it looks like there's a lot more shorts in here. A lot more shorts. I don't know, man. Anyways, for Move right now, the thing I would be worried about is losing your current uptrend. Because if you do lose this uptrend, I believe you double topped? Yeah, on the 4 hour, it's a double top. So if you lose this uptrend right now, this could get really nasty to the downside. Because you would be looking at this extremely bearishly. Because it has not figured out what the bottom is, technically. And you could find yourself down to 2183. That is a possibility. And considering you did spike up here and now you're losing strength as you're going up, so the bearish divergence on the 4 hour is there, I hate to say it, I am leaning bearish. I really do hate to say that, because this was like the most bullish thing in the market, but we could be seeing a 55% drop for move. And that is all because of the 4 hour time frame doing this. That makes that all possible while trying to set higher highs. Could be bad. What's left on the list? We got DGen, BNX, Cookie, Diego, OP, MSTX, Pole, and Hood. That's what we got. That's what we got. Checking out your daily, though. I mean, the daily looks perfectly fine. Your daily looks great. I mean, you have bullish divergence on the daily. You have... I mean, it's not really a higher low. It's just prices moving up. But now you're already finding sell pressure. So, this has me worried. Right there. That has me worried. LVMH. Alright, we will check it out. We shall check it out, HQZ. So, bullish case scenario, you could see yourself up at 85.67. That is your bullish case. Bearish case scenario, well, you're going to set a new all-time low at 21.83. All you got to do is lose this mini little uptrend, and down we go. All right. HQZ, which one is it? Is it with the F right here? Hennessy? Louis Vuitton? HQZ, can you get back to me? I'm going to move along. DGen. DGen. Luxury items. Oh. DGen's possibly going to price discovery to the downside. DGen does have a measured move right now based off these two wicks. Could be coming all the way down here. You could have another 70% downside if nobody buys DGen. That's unfortunate for DGen. That is your bearish case right now. We will see how it goes. Bullish case, 400% upside. I mean, kind of ridiculous. It's bearish. So I guess it's this. I guess. Ooh. That's really bad. Oh no. That's really bad. The people making money on shorts too. Yeah, no, this thing on the weekly. Oof. This looks so bad. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's lining up perfectly with a level of support. Oh no. That's not good. Oh man. Oh no. Oh, this is awful. Oh man. So by March of 2027, you should see this thing get back down to $368. Oh my gosh. Goblin Gobbler, thank you so much for the tier 1 sub over there on Twitch. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I hope I wasn't ignoring you somehow. I was not. Oh, I did. That's my bad. I got you on your request. Don't you worry. But thank you so much for the tier 1 sub. We will actually check that one out next. Because now you are subbed. And yeah, that's how this works. So yeah, this is real not good. And let's go to the daily to see if you, oh god, you can start doing it tomorrow. No. That's pretty bad. You can see you had like a nice little uptrend right here and you broke it. You broke it. This thing is ready to dump on you. Oh no. Downside target here. 45%? Yeah, this is recession talk right here. Dang, that is rough. That is rough right there. I'll tell you what. That oof. Oof. All right. Jim, get out now. What's up, Jim? How you doing? We're heading into bad times. We really are. We really are. By the way, welcome into the stream. Keep your powder dry. Hey, it's a smart thing to say. Jim Casey over here on Twitch. Welcome in. I appreciate you stopping by. But yeah, Louis Vuitton, not looking great. What is this? Oh, OBS? Whoops. I accidentally clicked this. My bad. OBS looks different now. Luxury goods are going to get cheaper. I need new Christian Dior sweatshirt, but it's $2,200. That's so expensive. I swear, if I see my baby mama buying Louis Vuitton stuff, I know I'm paying too much for child support. That's pretty funny. Waiting for it to go down to $800. That's wild. That's wild. That would be some discounts right there, I'll tell you what. Alright, next up, we have ALCX. ALCX. Oh, all-time lows. Here we are. So much for the upside. Dang, bro. Still in that downtrend. Ugh, gross. Grody. You are oversold on the 4 hour, so you might catch a bounce. But man, this looks bad. Until you start putting in higher lows, you gotta stay bearish. Stay bearish, my friends. Stay bearish. I would have been looking at it like this. You hit the target already. I mean, the problem is you're at all-time lows. Been waiting for some breakout. I mean, doesn't look like it's coming. Does not look like it's coming. This is really terrible. This is not what you want to see. Even if you do catch a little bit of a break, you have overhead resistance. Not only here, but here. You bearishly backtested it once. I'm thinking your bullish case at the moment is maybe you get a 13% pop to the upside, a second test up there, and then it rolls over. I know it's been this low. It's never been this low. Yeah, never. Like, legitimately never has been this low. Based off this move right here, you didn't even get the 618. But I guess technically you could get to 837. Let me see if there's something I'm missing from the past. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There is something I'm missing from the past. Oh no. That's not good. You better hope this isn't a 50% retrace. You better hope that's not a 50% retrace. Oh shit. Well, I don't think you're going to go negative. But you have the possibility. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but the possibility of 63 cents. That's rough. Let's just hope the bullish divergence plays out and you start getting some bids. Let's hope for that. Let's not do that. Okay, that would be really bad. So if you caught bids from here, you could get a nice move back up to your demand supply line. So bullish case scenario, 110% to the upside. That's your bullish case. If they felt like really sending this into the gutter, you could see 63 cents. Let's just hope that doesn't happen. Let's just hope it doesn't happen. You know what? Let's do that. Let's hope it doesn't happen. That would be terrible. That would be absolutely terrible. Anyways. HNT, if you could. Connor, I got you. HNT. HNT. They buy t-shirts in Indonesia for $14, slap a label on them, and sell for $800. Wow, that's a markup right there. Luxury good is for someone who wants to be someone. I'd rather buy a $3 blank t-shirt and 10 BTC on my ledger. Bigger flex. Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. So yeah, this is just a possibility. I don't think it's going to happen. But you know what? Anything can happen. Oh boy. That's a lot of downside. So something would have to go wrong for this to happen. I think there would have to be a hack or something. I'm thinking the sellers should be getting exhausted. But we're just going to leave that up here just in case. I'm not saying it's going to happen. Okay? But you better start catching some bids soon. That's all I gotta say. All I gotta say. All right, BNX. So let's take a fresh, clean look at BNX here because it's been doing some weird things. Oh boy, yeah. This, oh man, it's just a weird one. Just a weird one. So like you see, like that. What a wick. What a wick. Whoever bought up there deserves a medal. What a wick. Jeez. What an incredible wick it was. So BNX is just an all-around weird little setup here because it doesn't really respect the levels that well. Simply because, you know what, it's a low cap coin, which I can understand that. That's fine. But on the weekly, you're still above the 50 simple moving average, which I'm really confused. Gap filler, bottom could be in. For what? Anyways. This is where we have the problem here. So we have bearish divergence and a lower high. We're trying to figure out where the downtrend is going to start here, but you're also about to get a golden cross. So with the golden cross, that could end up making this thing go up, even though it probably shouldn't. SPX, we can check it out. Wait, you think the stock market's bottomed out? It's been overvalued for it's been overvalued for 2 years. I don't know, man. I'm in the camp the stock market has been way overvalued for like 2 years. That's what I'm thinking. I think it's been overvalued for like 2 years.
You're left with $4K a month after child support and taxes. That's wild. So yeah, BNX, I would think that downside is coming. That's what I would think. But you know what? It hasn't done it yet. And now looking at this on the 4 hour, it could go up a little higher, I guess. I just wouldn't trust it. I'm thinking downside is coming. And I'm thinking a lot of downside is coming. So what I'm personally thinking, we should see this thing fall down somewhere in this range, most likely testing this 2606 level. But that's just my thought. Doesn't have to happen. It's a self-repaying loan service on for Ethereum. So I hope when Ethereum goes back up, it should come back up. Oh, I gotcha. Yeah, it should. Yeah, that's the problem. Ethereum's been underperforming this whole time. It's just not doing well. But yeah, that would be good if it could start coming back, because it's kind of like the last bull run. I think it was called Strong, where it was like, oh, you get to buy these nodes, and then they're gonna pay you daily payouts of this Strong token, and then all of a sudden it just died and went to hell. Have I looked at Doge? I have not, Hayden. I have not. We can, though. I'm sure Doge is doing terribly. Yep, dump the S&P. If not for being overvalued, 2 years at least to make boomers feel the pain. They caused a lot of problems. That's rough. That's rough. I'm not gonna argue with that, but that's rough, man. That's tough. So anywhere between like 47 to 67% downside for BNX. That's what I could see happening. Just might take a while. Doge is 15 cents. The F? Thought it was at 40. No, it's been falling. It's been going down. It's been going down a lot. A lot. Alright. Cookie DAO. Yep, I see downside in its immediate future. We tried really hard, but even on a little scalper here, you'd be looking at it just right like, yep, I'm seeing some downside on Cookie. I was thinking about shorting this earlier, but now, you could be seeing anywhere between 19% downside. This thing looks good for some downside movement. I'll tell you what. You shouldn't be breaking those little uptrends. You shouldn't be bearishly backtesting them either. As soon as you bearishly backtest, you know it's over. Heck, you can even get even more of a scalp. It's like, hey, let's try and make some money overnight. Here you frickin' go, brother. You could be doing something like this. It lines up perfectly with this one. 25% downside, extremely possible for Cookie. Maybe with the Coinbase listing, something different happens. It's just, you know what? People are still trying to buy eggs and gas. So, I don't know. Looking bad. Draw a trend line from 2007 high, top, log scale, then flip it to linear. Thank me later. What? No. Not doing it. No. Everyone else in chat, go do that. Tell me what you find. I'm not doing that. I'm taking requests as is. I'm not changing my charts. Not doing it. I don't care. Alright, Dego. Dego next. So Dego, I was looking for the downside. You bearishly backtest and then you pop right back up over it. Kind of crazy. Let's check this out on the daily. The downside is not playing out. So looking at it on the daily, we are bearishly backtesting, or maybe we're retaking the 200 daily moving average. We were in this downtrend right here. We did break out, but we are so deep in that bullish control zone. The last time we were this high, price was all the way up here. That's a little bit of hidden bearish divergence in my opinion. So we could start seeing a lot more downside. Who the heck? Who the heck? There we go. So yeah, we could see a bit more downside. Let's go out to our weekly. Let's get some levels on this thing, because I never did that. S&P 500. What about it? That looks like our low, our high. Okay, these are the levels I care about. SPX 500 USD. Interesting. We'll check it out. Thank you. I appreciate you. You okay? What were you when you passed by our telescopes? Logarithmic astro... What the heck? I don't even know what you're saying, Aquata. I don't even know what you're saying. Alright, so, yeah. Making the levels didn't really make much more sense. If we do see a pop to the upside, maybe we hit that 2643? Maybe, possibly. Your weekly says you probably could do it. Your daily's having some issues. Checking the 4 hour. 4 hour, there's no bearish divergence, but your strength is falling. This one looks very strange to me. So I would say bullish case. Maybe you go up to that 2.6. So maybe you get a 26% move to the upside. Or maybe you just get a 50% retracement, which would be nice. Or a bullish back test. That would be nice too. Could see 13, possibly 21% downside. This one's a bit of a coin flip. Bit of a coin flip. I'm an alien from the future. That's my spaceship. That's pretty funny. That's pretty funny. So yeah, this one's a bit of a coin flip. You tried to lose this recent uptrend, and then you just retook it. We're going to see if this new 4-hour candle decides to continue to the upside or not. But I'm leaning bearish on everything. So there's that. Doesn't mean it's a good time to short. But also, this could very well be an ascending triangle that would push you straight on up to 270. But no bullback in sight. Interesting look. OP. OP. You got support sitting at 69.6. You have lost so many levels of support, it is not even funny anymore. It's just kind of sad. Just kind of sad. Oh, I did have this set up here, didn't I? You have a possibility of seeing 33 cents hitting all-time lows? Yep, all-time lows. You could be getting down there. Yikes. You're in an extreme downtrend. Not much saving OP these days. Layer 2 for Ethereum is getting wrecked. Mainly because Ethereum has been doing poorly. But yeah, this rounded top right here, that's a bit of a problem. Bit of a problem. You don't want to round the top on the daily. Then you get this weird flush to the downside, and could get gross. Could get gross. MSTX. We have lost all support. $15 could be the next stop. $15.38. You lost all support on MSTX. All support is gone. It is looking terrible. It's looking awful. At this point in time, there's no point in actually holding this. No point at all. So, yeah, there's that. You even got your bearish 5.0. Could be coming down to $1.19. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but if Bitcoin's performing like poop, anything that is MicroStrategy is going to perform like poop. So, yeah. You might just be better off trying to trade Bitcoin. You just might be. Alright. Alright, Polygon. Let's go ahead and check this thing out. All-time lows. I wish I had the Matic data so I could give you a better idea of where this thing could go. Because the first time I ever looked at Matic, it was at like 0.5 of a penny. And yeah, it's looking like it kind of wants to get back down there. It might miss those prices. Just bringing back some nostalgia. You have bullish divergence on the daily, but I mean, I don't think anyone cares. Honestly, I really don't think anyone cares about Polygon, and this thing could just continue falling into the abyss. No telling where it could go. All I can tell you is this is not even worth trying to buy into right now. Until you get a higher low, and then a third higher low. Or a second. So get one higher low, a second higher low, then consider, oh, we have an uptrend. Time to buy in. Until that happens, let it fall. Don't even worry about it. Don't even worry about it. No problem, Blake. No problem. Alright, Hood. Checking out Hood. Wow. You do have support. Oh my. Golly, we took out all the gains. Oh my. That's probably because they made so much revenue off crypto. And now everyone's looking at them as risk on. If you don't hold 34.38, you could be coming down to 23.34. That is a wild drop. Oh my. On the day you lost 19%. Sheesh. They don't care how low this thing goes. Damn. That's crazy. Well, now you're just kind of waiting to see if you catch bids tomorrow or not. Considering the amount of oversold you are, I mean, you're not actually oversold yet, but, you know, it is a stock. It still has revenue. They should be able to catch a little bit of a bounce, even if you're just bearishly backtesting 42.79 and then rolling over. But, dang, man, this is rough. This is very rough. HNT. HNT, it's doing terribly. You have support sitting at $1.53 and $1.18. You are very likely to go touch that. You're very likely to go touch that. You're in a downtrend right now. If you get a nice bounce, go up and touch $3.01, that would be a great time to go short. Great time, because then you got all this downside. All you ever do in this range, straight up, straight down, straight up. Just, there's nothing else. There's nothing else. I'm be like, but look at these areas. No, that's a part of the straight down. It's fine. Don't worry about that. FAQ? HNT. Oh. Yeah, HNT, it's not doing great. It's not doing great. Oh, man. So now we're looking at SPX 500. SPX 500 USD Awanda FAQ. So we looked at the S&P 500 mini futures before. We're looking at S&P 500 more. Yeah, it's low. It's low. I don't really feel like recharting this, so. You had support, you broke it. Your next support. Down here. So we could be heading straight down to 52.34. Could be going down there. I guess futures is open? It's a weird time to be open. Why is this open? Why is this price moving? Strange. It did get oversold, so you're expecting a little bit of a bounce. So let's just say you do catch a bounce. You would be looking for a 50% bearish 5-0, which you could end up seeing a 3.9% move to the upside, and then it has all the possibility of rolling over and going lower. So this is what I see out of this one. Looks like the whole market's starting to catch some bids. Maybe Wall Street chills out with the selling pressure tomorrow. Just maybe. Is this what you're trying to get me to look at? I do not know. I do not know. Okay, so you're just trying to say FHNT. Got it. Are we finally getting that relief rally? I don't know, maybe. I think the main one that's gotten the relief rally. I got you, HQZ. I got you. I think the one that finally got a relief rally, or it's starting to, is IOTX. IOTX is like the only one that's trying to respect anything, and it's starting to move up. So maybe IOTX has an opportunity of going up 39%. Maybe. We bottomed. All right, he's saying we bottomed. We will see tomorrow if we have actually bottomed. I know that I will not be in any trades tonight. That's what I know. But if we did finally bottom, thank goodness. That took forever. $83, then dump. Well, we have not formally backtested since falling below it again. 87.3. So if we do rally on up to 87.3 and then roll over, would be perfectly normal. No, I'm going to eat now. Yeah, I'm going to eat now. If you guys have any more requests, feel free. Go into the Discord. Drop your requests in the Discord. I'm going to go ahead and eat and then go say goodnight to the babies. But, yeah, hopefully you guys are having a good Monday. Hopefully you're ready for a great Tuesday. I'm going to get on out of here. I appreciate each and every one of you for showing up, giving me the requests. You guys are absolutely amazing. And, yeah, I will catch you later. Deuces, everybody. Keep those stop losses tight. I'll see you in the next one. Oh, yeah, and if you're a part of the copy trading on both Buy DeFi or on Weeks, be prepared to make some gains this week because we gonna kill it. We gonna kill it. Anyways, I'm out of here. Have a good one. Deuces, everybody. Deuces.